Time is of great value. It provides people opportunities for growth, offers a wide array of career choices, brings a whole spectrum of emotions, helps the challenged overcome hardships, allows nature to take its course, make life precious for its every moment. Every second counts. Every minute matters. As the minutes turn to days, the days to months, and the months to years, the value of time becomes a matter of health. The question then is, how much do you value your life? Well, the rule of thumb is, you are only as good as what your body dictates. And with the enormous stress, pollution, and unhealthy lifestyles that modern life is subjected to, being in the peak of health has acquired an entirely different meaning. Making a difference in the life of family and friends, and leading a zestful and energetic life. It is the golden opportunity to enjoy life in ways unimaginable, to attain a fuller life in all its dimensions. Indeed, the good life is a gold life. And in this quest for the gold life, one company has dedicated itself in serving the best interests of the general public by providing quality yet affordable products that enhance the quality of life. This is Gold Life. And this is the perfect time to taste that good life that Gold Life brings. Gold Life products are only available through members and Gold Life affiliated offices. Gold Life has various distribution center operators, or DCO, located nationwide, and anyone may order Gold Life products through the accredited DCOs. Gold Life has to date 38 DCOs nationwide, located in key cities and municipalities, including Las Piñas, Cavite, Bicol, Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, Davao, and others. Now, if the area does not have a designated DCO yet, well, the Gold Life member is free to apply as a DCO, provided the active member meets the qualifications set by Gold Life management. Right now, Gold Life enjoys large acceptance among direct sellers and customers in its first few months of operation. In fact, it holds the record of the fastest growing membership among companies of its kind. This wide acceptability is a direct result of the high quality of products and corporate image that Gold Life is known for. The secret lies in its enviable product development and high standard manufacturing process. All Gold Life products are born out of extensive research and intensive laboratory experiments. The finest and carefully selected ingredients, known for their healthy benefits, go under rigorous processes to ensure quality and effectiveness. Satisfying the discriminating tastes of the market means exceeding market standards. This is where Gold Life mines its unique selling advantages. In fact, Gold Life products bear 2 internationally accepted quality mark seals of the ISO 9001-2000 International Certification and Current Good Manufacturing Practice, or CGMP. Gold Life boasts of nutraceutical product brands that are the best in their respective categories, yet competitively priced. Gold Life products are not only the best in quality, but widest in product options. As a matter of fact, once you step in any Gold Life outlet, it is a virtual one-stop shop for all product categories in the market today. There is no other company that brings you this unique advantage. In Gold Life, you don't just get a piecemeal solution to health concerns, but a wide choice awaits you, depending on your age, physiological requirements, and lifestyle. Nutraceutical miracles do happen. To see is to believe. Gold Life's highly recommended vitamin C regimen is Cal-C, which works wonders through daily detoxification. As a wonder capsule, Cal-C is safe to be taken by individuals who have heart problems because the key ingredient, calcium ascorbate, a non-acidic form of vitamin C, is sodium-free. That gets rid of the usual downside of vitamin C's. With no contraindications to worry about, Cal-C can be taken by anyone for protection against the everyday hazards of living.
Vitamin C is the vitamin of choice to fight chronic illnesses, burns, and some blood disorders. With the added advantage of Cal-C, your body is protected from the effect of allergic rhinitis, asthma, exposure to pollution and radiation. By taking Calci every day, it answers the needed detoxification of the body's respiratory system. In my practice in surgery, I see to it that I gave the patient Calci to hasten wound healing and early recuperation.
Our family has a history of heart problems, kaya I'm careful sa mga tinitake kong vitamin C supplements. With Calci, hindi na ako nag-worry sa side effects ng sodium kasi Calci is sodium-free. Kaya not only I feel detoxified, I feel safe pa.
With Calci, the energy level for daily activities, either at work and gimmicks, is sustained at its peak with the combined strength and benefits of calcium, the bone builder, and vitamin C, the king of vitamins, in a power-packed capsule. Feel the morning energy all throughout the day with Calci. There is strength in numbers. This is the reality of life. And even in coffee, this is so true. From a standard of 3 and 5-in-1s, the delicious aroma and invigorating taste of coffee are now 8 times more powerful and pleasurable with Gold Life's Coffee Max, the 8-in-1 healthy coffee. Coffee Max is a blend of antioxidizing agents that bring out the special herbal action of 5 important components of vitamin-rich malunggay, vitality-inducer tongkat ali, protein-packed chlorella, health-inducing reishi mushroom, and memory-enhancing guarana berry.
Drinking coffee has always been part of my daily routine. With coffee, I'm always on the go. Nagiging energetic ako every time I drink coffee. Kaya nga, with Coffee Max, na-enhance yung energy para na rin akong nag-specialty coffees.
Now, you can enjoy coffee at the pleasure of your cravings with 5 special components, adding that extra kick to the already energy-packed combination of coffee, non-dairy creamer, and zero-calorie sweetener. Coffee passion can now be had at any time of the day without that guilt feeling of overindulgence. Get that full energy from Coffee Max. They say you are what you eat. Toxins included, folks. With those gastrointestinal related cases, Chlorivita comes to the rescue. Eliminating toxins from the digestive tract is an everyday essential. With Chlorivita, the cleansing of the body's digestive system and the simultaneous action of promoting a healthy pH balance are addressed head-on.
Chlorivita is a food supplement from chlorella. Chlorella is an algae. It is a complete food. Complete food because it has a complete nutrients. It has a property to repair a cell. Kaya doon sa may mga cancer, it would help a lot. Our colon should maintain a pH balance of 7.2 to 7.5. How to maintain that pH balance? Kailangang malinis ang ating colon. So, Chlorivita would help us a lot para araw-araw ma-detoxify ang ating colon. Chlorivita is my favorite food supplement because of the chlorella content. Dahil 2 years ago, I was advised to undergo chemo because I was diagnosed of stage 1 ovarian cancer. For almost 2 years, I took chlorella as my food with malunggay and yung kamote. And now, negative na ako. So, that's why talagang I'm 100% promoting chlorella or Chlorivita because of the chlorella content.
Made with 500 milligrams chlorella, a highly recommended protein source derived from the emerald green algae. It contains high levels of vitamins A, C, and E, zinc, iron, and amino acids. And with its powerful cleansing power, Chlorivita also aids in losing weight.
As a chef, I do a lot of food tasting. Thanks to Chlorivita, my digestive system is detoxified daily. With 500 milligrams of chlorella, Chlorivita cleanses my digestive tract and makes me more energetic every day.
I used to weigh 170 pounds, pero ngayon 150 na lang. Thanks to Chlorivita, ang laking tulong niya sa aking determinasyon to lose weight. Good looks na, good health pa.
A glowing face, a blooming aura, and all the superlatives come together in Gold Life's gem of a product, Glutapearl. Glutapearl is a powerful combination of 3 fast-acting super antioxidants: glutathione, vitamin C, and alpha-lipoic acid. Their powerful combination is proven to prevent the onset of atherosclerosis and keeps the liver in top shape.
Glutathione is used by the liver to detoxify harmful compounds and remove them from the body through the bile. Actually, the liver naturally produces glutathione in small quantities. Glutapearl supplements the liver's production of glutathione. It is a combination of antioxidants that act as free radicals. It can protect your vision. It can help prevent the buildup of oxidized fat, which ordinarily causes atherosclerosis. It detoxifies the body and aids metabolism, resulting to healthy body cells. Well, the secondary effect of glutathione is whiter skin, and that explains why most celebrities use it.
The vitamin C in Glutapearl prevents scurvy, common among the aging group. The ALA, on the other hand, helps stabilize blood sugar, protects the heart and the nervous system from free radical damage, helps the body use other antioxidants, and makes aging slower than the usual.
I have been using Glutapearl for 3 months already, and I can say that it really helped me feel better.
I used to have a not-so-fair skin, but with my regular use of Glutapearl, ang light ng feeling at syempre, look, I have a whiter skin now. I get my money's worth.
With Glutapearl, what you think is unimaginable is actually attainable. Get starstruck with Gold Life Star product, Glutapearl. It takes 2 to tango, so they say, except when joint pains get in the way. Joint pains, rheumatism, and arthritis are telltale signs of aging and worn-out joints and cartilages. So before they hit the ballroom, Gluciflex will ensure that they will enjoy every step as they dance the night away. The 3 components found in Gluciflex collectively protect weight-bearing joints, aid cartilage formation, promotes elasticity and hydration, and relieve pain.
Doctors worldwide agree on the combined benefits of glucosamine hydrochloride and chondroitin sulfate in the treatment of osteoarthritis. Gluciflex promotes joint elasticity and hydration, making movement and flexibility easier and more comfortable.
From aging to agile, Gluciflex is a potent remedy. In fact, for a highly athletic individual, Gluciflex is a reliable practice or performance partner.
As an athlete, my knees and joints are always under a lot of stress. It really helps that I take Gluciflex every day to fortify the strength of my joints and keep them hydrated for easy mobility. With Gluciflex, I get to play as much as I want.
Gluciflex. With no pain, everything is to your game. Life begins at 40, but a good life begins with 42. Gold Life's newest product is Centra 42, with 42 essential vitamins and minerals, all packed in one catch-all table, which is 17 more than the leading brand. The special 42 formulation suits the daily requirements of active men and women who battle stress, pollutants, toxins, and free radicals. Among the 17 additional minerals and vitamins are lutein, lycopene, taurine, L-carnitine, coenzyme Q10, chlorella, alpha-lipoic acid, ginkgo biloba, Korean ginseng, Tivigo, and soybean isoflavone.
I'm very lucky I found Centra 42 in Gold Life. Centra 42 is the most complete multivitamins in the market today, with 42 essential vitamins and minerals jam-packed in one ultimate tablet, with a unique mix that includes lutein, lycopene, chlorella, and alpha-lipoic acid. Centra 42 gives me everything I need every day.
Have a powerful, packed, and perfect life with Centra 42. The family that takes multivitamins together bonds together. This is now possible with a 3-type formulation of Gold Life's multivitamins with the Gold Life brand Body Strong for women, men, and kids.
As we all know, there are daily requirements for essential minerals and chemicals for everybody in order to maintain healthiness of our system and bodily function. But sometimes, we do not get these requirements from the things we eat for a number of reasons. By focusing on the daily needs of individuals at any age, Multivitamins provide the daily dosage of essential minerals and vitamins that the individual needs.
Body Strong for Women maintains healthy blood, bones, eyes, and heart for women. It addresses the unique requirements of women on account of the different physiological and biological processes they experience. Optimum doses of folic acid, iron, calcium, lutein, soybean isoflavones, and coenzyme Q10 make a big difference in the daily activities among active professional women and even homemakers.
Being an active woman who is always on the go, I make sure that I get the complete vitamins, minerals, and nutrients my body needs every day.
With Body Strong for Women, kumpleto ang daily multivitamin needs ko. It has calcium, coenzyme Q10, L-carnitine, and lutein. Ang galing! As a Body Strong for Women user, I know my bones are strong, my eyes are healthy, and my whole body is protected.
Body Strong for Men contains most of the essential vitamins and minerals needed for the maintenance of good health among men. It takes into consideration the more strenuous activities which men are inclined to do or encounter. With the special action of chromium, zinc, lycopene, Korean ginseng, tongkat ali, and saw palmetto, Body Strong for Men provides that extra vim and vigor that men need in their different activities.
Matagal na akong naghahanap ng multivitamins na talagang made to strengthen and revitalize men like me. I'm glad I found Body Strong for Men. The special formulation of Body Strong for Men ensures that I get my daily requirements of tongkat ali, saw palmetto, zinc, taurine, and iron to protect me from disease and to rebuild my resistance to free radicals.
Body Strong for Kids boosts the overall development of active children. It contains components for growth required for children who undergo development in the modern environment. Now children can adequately cope with the hazards and challenges of their environment in the course of their learning, playing, and socializing. They say that at the end of the rainbow is a pot of gold. It is now time to chase that rainbow and find yourself all the way to gold life. Act now, for time itself is gold.